ET Startup Awards 2025. The minister is here on stage, so let's start with the first category. The first category is called Bootstrap Champ. As the name suggests, this award goes to a business that has managed to achieve both scale and traction without external funding. As all of you know, that is no easy task. The winner of the Bootstrap Champ is a company that works in the highly competitive cloud and IT businesses. They have stayed disciplined, scaled with finesse, and been profitable since inception. They have clients across healthcare, BFSI, manufacturing, and startups. The award for Bootstrap Champ goes to Minfy Technologies. May I request Vijay and Vivek Jain to come up on stage and receive the award. Can I ask you to face the audience? Profitable since day one. How did you pull that off?
Sure. I think, yeah. So I think the award itself says right. So we have been bootstrapped since day one, from last 10 years of our journey. Yeah, I think we have learned a few lessons. Of course, bootstrap has a lot of constraints, but also kind of teaches a lot of discipline to build an enduring enterprise. And for us, I think Minfy was blessed with 300 customers. I think, yeah, and they have been kind of been there. Majority of them has been there with us almost 10 years. And in some sense, they have been kind of our seed investors. Moving forward, I think as we evolve Minfy, I think we kind of partnered with ecosystem partners, like a lot of large OEMs. And they not only helped us build capability, but also kind of help us enter into global markets. So that was kind of a Series A moment for us. So while we were bootstrapped all the way along, but I think we had leveraged all the benefits of the ecosystem partners. And lastly, I think I would like to say, I think we had a tremendous team, the leadership team, that kind of believed in the Minfy vision day in. I think that kind of really helped us build a Minfy flywheel. And that's how I think we were profitable.